I got to know about new roots from YouTube and Instagram videos. So I was searching for some hair fall solution online. So I came across new root Hyderabad unit. So I was facing hair fall for past 1 year, hair fall and hair thinning both. So I visited the clinic last week, and yesterday I had my surgery. Surgery went well. There was some minor pain, but which got resolved within a day. So today I came for my hair wash session. So it went well. I'm looking for the result.